crazy dog. Oh, yo, man, it's gonna be gold. Hello, Americans. And other friends, subscribers around the world. Hey, man. Kind of flooding over here. Man, it's cold out here. A little bit of ice. And what? Got the kids out here picking up trash or something. Well, they were. Probably not now. But yeah, we got so much flipping rain, man. I gotta get some gravel hauled in here. It's out of control. It's down a little bit though, but when I pulled in, man, water was up here. And that's just, you know, that ain't overflowing from that isn't overflowing from the creek, man. that's just the rain yesterday. It rained dumped. Man, I've never, you know, I think I talked about it before or whatever, but I've never, in all my 56 years of being in Idaho, I ain't never seen as much rain as we've had this year. And not necessarily the whole year. I'm talking about the last 2 or 3 months. Man, it is just dumped. And then, according to ADAPT 2030, man, he called for it. He called for it, man, as soon as that volcano, I can't remember what volcano that was, over a year ago, man, he said that it was going to put moisture in the air and that we were going to experience floods and rain and something like, you know, like we've never experienced before. So now, right now, and it is cold. I don't know what the temp is. I should go look. But there for a second, well, and I showed over the mountain, a little bit of sun. But, dude, it's supposed to move in. I thought we were, well, I see some blue sky way out there through the trees. Might get a little bit of sun for a little bit today. Oh, there's some blue sky right there. Oh, man. But, supposed to, I think they're calling for 8 inches or something tomorrow. It's supposed to snow tomorrow and I think the next day. So, that ought to be fun. So we gotta get some stuff moved around out here. Get ready for plowing, man, I think. We shall see. And then I'm gonna work on firewood today. And then if the sky's clear, I'm gonna look for drones. Dude. Man, I listened to different stuff, watched stuff. Until I went to bed, I went to sleep listening to stuff about the drones. I'm surprised I didn't have some crazy dreams. But, this video ain't gonna be all about that, but man, I hope you all are, paying attention and staying tuned, because, there's a lot more to these drones than you'd ever want to think. Ooh, it's, check the calendar, but it says 28, but then the breeze is on my doves. The breeze is blowing a little. So you know, you always watch all them news things or whatever, weather. Oh, dude, I almost fell on my butt this morning to get wood. But you watch all them news or weather forecasts, and they always tell you the temp, and then they say, and it feels like blah blah blah. Well, dude, if it feels like whatever, isn't that what temperature it really is? So I'm warming this up because Cause it's staying cold out there. No, cause I want to go down and see if it's breaching. Miss Kitty asked me if the creek was breaching. Thinking I'd walk down there. Dude, I ain't walking down there right now. That's a long ways, man. So I'm gonna warm my truck up, and then I'm going to drive down there and check and see if it's breaching. So we're gonna go check. Plus, she just wants warmed up, man. Turn my defrost on. Thaw out my mirrors. Woo! Oh, dude, it's too cold to sit in here right now. Get out of here, man. Get some. Split all that. Split all that yesterday. That's probably 2 days. Probably 2 days, you know, and I'm running 2 and sometimes 3 wood stoves. 2 all the time. You know, and then sometimes 3. And then as soon as I put that other one, it'll be sometimes 4. But, so I go through a lot of wood. But the plan today is that out there. I don't even know if you can see it. That out there. I need to saw that up. So hopefully it warms up a little bit, and then I'll be sawing that up, and then we'll split it. And then I want to block off that doorway, which I'm going to block it off even if I don't get the wood in and done, because if we're supposed to get 8 inches of snow tonight, it'll come right in there. And then my plan was to wood shake that side. You know, you can see all the gaps. My plan was to wood shake that. And I got all the wood shakes out there, but I just haven't got to it, man. I just haven't got it. I guess I could put plastic over it or something. Or I could just let the snow blow in. Oh, there's my doves. Zach. A little bit of blue sky behind there. See any drones? Or none dove? Man, truck's warmed up. I'm going out and check and see if it's breaching out here. Just cause. Move up. Oh, hey, man. Ah, now I can see. See no water flowing down the overflow. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit. We shall see. No, man. It's a long ways from the overflow. See that right there? No, I've showed it before. That right there is the overflow. The reason, well, Miss Kitty's the one that got me wondering, because she's all, man, did you hear that creek this morning? But, heck, man, I think maybe it was flowing more this morning. I doubt it. Need to unclog that crap. Need to get in there and do a whole bunch of stuff. Not right now. Well, there's some water. Seeing that right there, man? That's just all from the rain. That's pretty probably 8 inches or something deep. Ooh, look at that, man! Blue sky, kind of. All right, man. Now we're this is Car's truck. Hopefully it starts. It, there we go. This thing, man, is, it went into limp mode. And, whoa. See how this stuff works here. Went into limp mode, and she's ordered the part. There's a part or something, man. They gotta get underneath. It's inside the transmission, or man, I don't know. Something. What's up, lady? Something like you want in there too? Something like that. Oh, Bo, you're there too, man. What you got doing? So, but anyway. Starting it up to warm it up. It's like move it because it's in the, you know, the spot of where we'll plow. It's supposed to be 8 inches, man, so you got to be prepared. Hopefully they're wrong, but as cold as it is and everything, man, we're probably gonna get some snow tonight and tomorrow and the next day. Moving the Nissan. Just won't even. This is the first time I've drove in this limp mode. It's definitely limp. Holy crap. Hey! Sorry, dude. Oh, I get stuck. It's four high. Turn it on around. Holy crap. Hey! Guess I might just turn you off. What I'm doing is I'm going to back this in front of the green bean. Starting the green bean because I haven't started it in a while. Definitely want to keep the batteries and everything charged. And then forget the snow, man. I'm turning this thing around. If I end up having to pull her out, I can't. Oh, faithful green bean. Let her hang down in my screwdrivers and tools in there, man. Let the old green bean warm up a little bit. Dang, clutch is out of it. Hey, I guess that's kind of, well, man, right here, dude. Kind of set up for you in the green bean, man. You've been in there. Rode in here a lot. Yeah, I got some work to do on the old green bean. Not in here. It'll definitely be springtime. I got the clutch. You know, it kept on, for some reason, kept on bleeding off. And then, you know, the wiring stuff that I'll have to deal with, but I need to clean it up repaint it. I won't ever get rid of the green bean. Holy crap! Got a lot of tires, man. Do me a earth chip and use up all them tires. But all these, man, those right there on the top are studs. Used to be, man, I'd sell the heck out of tires, especially up here. I haven't really even tried. Probably should pull them studs out, man. Now's the time to sell studded tires. And tomorrow, it'll definitely be time to sell studded tires and some chains. Ooh, doggy. Hear my old buddy playing, man?
21 minutes. I'm pretty much done, guys. I really appreciate it.
What's that?
This morning.
He's in my pocket.
We only go through this world once, and we go through a short time. Some people it goes too quick. Yeah.
He's great.
Some people goes too quick.
I got his video where he did the song, me and Miss Kitty song. I got it loaded on the computer, so I need to get it. Whew. Need to show it to you on here. Maybe not today's video. Today's video, right now I'm out here. Gonna get me some firewood for the trading post. And then in an hour, stand out here. Hey, it's snowing pretty steady, man. Not as bad. They said 8 inches today, so we shall see. I was expecting to get up with more on the ground, but it's coming down pretty good. But I got one of my favorite things, man. Dentist appointments, doctor appointments. But I got dentist. It's actually just a cleaning, but not one of my favorite things to do. So I got that this morning here in an hour. And then get back here, man. Need to split some more wood. I think I might do a video over mountain junkers I got 3 things that sold last night. What else was Miss Kitty was just telling. Oh, and I got to get something that I started doing and didn't finish is getting the motorhome so Miss Cara can stay in it, because I'm pretty sure she'll be plowing tonight. You know, they plow at like 3 and 4 in the morning, so she'll just stay in the motorhome. She's got her propane heater and all that stuff, but I got to get that thing cleaned out, man. I don't know what I did yesterday, man, so I guess that's it for this video, and I'm sure I'll start another one. It's another one after the dentist appointment, so good Lord willing, them creeks don't rise. We'll be back again tomorrow. See ya.